Differentiate between scavenging and supercharging. Scavenging is a process of flushing out burnt gases from engine cylinder by introducing fresh air in the cylinder before the exhaust stroke ends. Supercharging is the process of supplying higher mass of air by compressing the atmospheric air. The answer to this question would be: in scavenging, the burnt gases from the engine cylinder are pushed out by the fresh air before the exhaust stroke ends. Turbocharging or supercharging is the process of adding extra air to the engine for a better ignition. Why more lubricating oil is needed in two-stroke engines than four-stroke engines? In case of two-stroke engine, lubricating oil is mixed with fuel, so it burns as fuel burns and consumed more, while in case of four-stroke engine, lubricating oil is placed in separate container and only circulated within the engine. So obviously they are consumed less here. The perfect answer for this question would be: in two-stroke engine, the lubricant is mixed with the fuel. As a result, some of the lubricating oil is blown out with the process of scavenging and getting fresh charge. This phenomena is not seen in four-stroke engine. What is the function of a flywheel? A flywheel controls the speed variations caused by the fluctuation of the engine turning moment during each cycle of operation. A flywheel used in machines serves as a reservoir which stores energy during the period when the supply of energy is more than the requirement, and releases it during the period when the requirement of energy is more than the supply. The answer to this question would be: the main function of the flywheel is to store kinetic energy in the form of moment of inertia. It also reduces the vibration in the engine and produces an even crankshaft rotational speed.